My closet used to be dark and frustrating. Finding clothes, or anything really, was like searching for a needle in a haystack. Time consuming, difficult, and annoying. Then I discovered the Tedmos Microwave Motion Sensor Light. It not only looks stylish, but it has a built-in 12,000 mAh high-capacity battery with a USB-C fast charging port. A single charge lasts a long time, plus it's IP54 waterproof for peace of mind. After installing it, my closet has become completely transformed. The once cluttered space is now bright and tidy. I can see what I'm doing in there, which is the main thing. It uses microwave sensor technology. The light turns on automatically the moment I open up my closet. It is more sensitive than infrared technology, and I don't have to find a light switch. Instead, it just turns on. And it turns off automatically 20 seconds after I close the closet, so I don't have to worry about, again, finding that switch. I can also freely adjust the brightness of the light. When there is sufficient natural light, I can dim it to save some energy. And when I need to check details of clothing at night, I can turn up the brightness should I need to. It has 3 color temperatures: cool white, natural white, and warm yellow. Cool white is perfect as it makes them look crisp and clean. Natural white is what I use most of the time. The light is very natural and comfortable. Warm yellow creates a soft, cozy, and luxurious feel. This light can also be set to in constant on mode, which can help when I'm in the closet looking for something, putting something away, getting something out. It also does have a timer function, so if I'm afraid that I'm going to forget to turn it off, I can set that. It has 3 functions: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. And once set, it will automatically turn off. The Tedmos Motion Sensor Light is truly a finishing touch for my closet. It not only illuminates my closet, but also makes finding things and organizing things much easier and enjoyable. Now, it's easy to get into my closet and do what I need to do.